Technology is moving fast, and humanoid robots are no longer experimental prototypes. They're entering a stage where real deployment and mass production are no longer impossible dreams. And right now, two very different moments in robotics are going viral for completely opposite reasons. Let's start with XPENG Iron, because this robot is quickly becoming one of the most talked about humanoids in the world. XPENG isn't treating Iron as a distant research project. They have already announced their goal to push Iron into mass production by 2026, which is shockingly soon for a robot with this level of elegance and natural movement. Iron stands out because it doesn't move like a stiff machine. It carries a human-like posture, shifts its weight with balance, and has a fluid body language that makes people forget they're looking at a robot. The curved digital face display allows it to show expressions, react to people, and communicate in a more human-centric way. What makes Iron even more impressive is XPENG's vision language AI stack. Instead of interpreting the world through traditional step-by-step processing, the robot uses integrated models that help it understand commands, recognize objects, and respond more naturally. This is exactly why XPENG believes Iron can leave the lab and enter public environments. They wanted guiding visitors, greeting customers, assisting in daily human environments, and eventually performing tasks that require both awareness and social presence. The massive reveal, the realistic form factor, the subtle movement, all of this gives Iron a sense of personality that is rare in today's humanoids. And XPENG plans to bring this robot into real-world deployment within the next 2 years. That alone puts Iron in a completely different category compared to most humanoids still stuck in experimental stages. But while XPENG showed the world what a smooth, polished humanoid can look like, Russia just showed the world what can happen when things go wrong. At a recent tech event, Russia introduced its humanoid robot, AI, a machine designed with a lifelike silicone face capable of 12 human expressions and powered by Russian-built components. But the demonstration did not go according to plan. As soon as the robot began walking, it lost balance and collapsed on stage in front of a stunned audience. A complete fail moment that instantly went viral. To be fair, AI does have interesting features, a realistic face, multiple microservos for expression control, and a focus on human-like presence. But the fall reminded everyone how difficult humanoid locomotion truly is. Getting a robot to walk confidently, read its environment, and keep its balance is one of the hardest engineering challenges in robotics. And XPENG's smooth, natural Iron reveals the massive gap between robotics built for public interaction and those still in early testing stages. When you compare these two moments side by side, you can see the direction the humanoid race is moving. On one side, XPENG is targeting large-scale deployment, pushing for social robots that can blend into human environments by 2026. On the other side, Russia's AI shows a more experimental stage where the technology is still fragile, unpredictable, and prone to failure. But both moments matter. One highlights the near future. The other reminds us of the challenges. Together, they show how rapidly the robotic landscape is evolving. So the real question is this: are we ready for humanoid robots walking among us? And when they finally stand in front of us, do we want them to look human, behave human, or simply get the job done? Thanks for watching. If you want to stay ahead of the humanoid robotics revolution, make sure to subscribe to the channel. The future is arriving fast, and we're here to follow every step of it.